Hi there, hi boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. Third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Tuesday, December the 7th, 2021. We have three puzzles left. Tectonic with 4 stars, Binary, and a Sudoku medium, aka Sudoku mix. But first, we will solve this baby. This will be number 3, 7. Oh, apologies. Bump the camera again. This will be 3793. I believe. Yes, correct. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's and 4 1's. Alright, double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 1's. Oh, wait. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1's we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 1's comes an O. 4 1's we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here in this column, so the rest are 1's. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1's. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1's we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1's. 4 1's we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1's we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 1's we have here, so the rest are O's. Then we need to compare, I think. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, yeah. This row I cannot compare. How about this row? I cannot compare, so we need to compare the columns. 1 O. Do we have 1 O here? No. O1, 1 O. Yeah, this column and that column. O 1 empty box. O 1 empty box. So we need to switch these two digits. We have an O here. This should be an. Sorry, we have a 1 here. This should be an O. We have an O there. This should be a 1. Double one here. No, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Finish in 3 minutes. All right, great binary, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a few seconds with the other 2 puzzles. Tectonic with 4 stars and the Sudoku mix, yes. And this one, this Tectonic with 4 stars, has this figure. Again, yesterday also, or the day before, I do not know. So I will continue with the yeah, I'm curious if this box has the same name as that box, and also this box has the same name as that box. It's a right leg figure, and someone told me You have the right leg and left leg, and those are different. Well, we will see. So I'm very curious. So see you later. Bye bye for now.